Okay, so I didn't have a choice. I switched to full HD. Hopefully this is not gonna be too heavy. We'll see. Anyway, CentOS Ansible Controller 1. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go with Ansible Controller 1. Connect. Start. Let me see the resources. My machine there. Okay. So install Linux. 720. Okay, I started recording already. So CentOS, install Ansible on CentOS, and the node probably is not gonna bother you. Okay. Starting now, it goes. It looks much better. Starting installer. 1 moment. So on a conda now, it's gonna show up. When reporting a bug, add logs from temp. Okay. If I report bugs, I will do that. Okay. So we are starting now. Okay, now here it is, the button which I couldn't hit before. Continue. Continue. Okay, so now let's look at the keyboard and all this kind of stuff. Installation sort, keyboard. So let's look at the keyboard. US keyboard. I don't care about that. Language support. I want English. Time and date. Okay, even though I'm in a different time zone, I will leave it as it is. I'm connected. I know actually why this is not gonna happen, why it's not happening, because of network and host. Host name, installation source. Okay, that's done. Software selection, I'm gonna say minimum install. Done. Minimum install, installation destination. I have to check it, so it's chosen. Okay, KDE whatever that is, enable KDE memory reservation. Okay, let me leave it as it is. I will say on, and now I'm gonna get the IP address, which is 10.0.0.5, and the local host is gonna be Ansible controller 1. Ansible controller 1, apply, and done. Security policy, okay, I'm done with that. Begin installation. Now I have to create a user. Let me set first the password for the root, which is password. Done. Again, because the password is weak. Oh, the password do not match. Password fails the dictionary check. It's based on a dictionary. Yes, I know. Done. Use it again. Create user. Full name Stoyan. Okay. I want just Stoyan as a user. Password. Done. The password don't match again. Mamma mia. Password. Done. Anyway, yes, I want to use this password. It's a simple installation, it doesn't take long. It started 153, I guess, now it's 157. The last part of the installation actually is the longest one, but at least is not punishing too much my hard drive. Well, that's a good news. I don't know it's good or not, but in any case we'll see. Maybe I had to eject after that the installation media when it finishes with the installation. I can pause now recording and I will continue when it's done. Okay, so finally it has been installed. CentOS Linux has been installed on this virtual machine. The resources of my machine are not used anymore. So heavy, so reboot. When I'm rebooting this time, I suspect that I had to remove the, yeah, exactly. So I have to turn off this machine, turn off, close it, come here, send on the Ansible controller. I guess this is the machine which I need. Settings, IDE controller, and I am gonna say no, apply, okay. So now I'm gonna start it again, connect, start, connection CentOS. Probably on this I also will stop the desktop. This time is a little bit easier, and I will switch the resolution before I continue, maybe, because this is too heavy for the machine to record such a high resolution, which is full HD, and at the same time to work with the virtual machines. Let me look at the resources. Memory 61% is not that bad. It's okay. So let's see now what happens. Oh, that's great. Sent on Linux. Oh, I don't even have a graphic user interface, which is good. Password. Okay. Probably I didn't type it wrong. Yes, I am. I'm in. Who am I? Okay. Now. So I'm gonna install the node as well. While I have this high resolution, so I'm gonna stop this record and start it again when I have the node.